Imagine stepping into your backyard and feeling like you've entered a luxurious retreat without breaking the bank. Whether you have a small patio or a spacious garden, today we're diving into stunning backyard renovation ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a dreamy escape. Stay till the end because we have some jaw-dropping ideas that you won't want to miss. Why backyard renovations matter. A well-designed backyard isn't just about looks. It's about creating a space where you can relax, entertain, and even increase your home's value. According to experts, backyard remodels can increase property value by up to 20%. Low-budget backyard makeover ideas. Think a backyard makeover has to be expensive? Think again. Here are some cheap backyard makeover ideas that look expensive but are surprisingly budget-friendly. 1. DIY fire pit. A fire pit creates the perfect gathering space. You can build one with repurposed bricks or concrete pavers for under $100. It's an instant upgrade that makes your backyard feel like a luxury resort. 2. Outdoor string lights. String lights can turn any backyard into a magical escape. Opt for solar-powered options to cut down on electricity costs while adding a warm, enchanting glow. 3. Upcycled furniture. Don't toss out old pallets or furniture. Repurpose wooden pallets into outdoor sofas, coffee tables, or even vertical plant walls. A little sanding, painting, and creativity can transform trash into treasure. 4. Garden beds from recycled materials. Want a lush garden without the cost? Use old wooden crates, bricks, or even painted tires to create stylish DIY garden beds for herbs, flowers, or veggies. 5. DIY outdoor privacy screens. Privacy can be stylish and affordable. Lattice panels, bamboo fencing, and even hanging fabric drapes can create an intimate outdoor retreat. 6. Budget-friendly outdoor flooring. Forget expensive stone tiles. Use gravel, mulch, or repurposed wood pallets to create elegant backyard walkways or patios at a fraction of the cost. 7. Creative seating areas. Enhance your backyard with fun and unique seating, like a DIY swing bench, tree stumps turned into stools, or even a hammock nook. 8. Outdoor mirrors to create space illusion. Mirrors can make small backyards look larger while reflecting beautiful greenery and natural light. Outdoor patio renovations. Your patio is the heart of your outdoor space. Whether you're hosting guests, relaxing with family, or just enjoying some alone time, your patio should be both functional and stylish. Let's explore the best outdoor patio renovation ideas to maximize comfort and charm. 1. Modern pergola. Addition. A pergola isn't just a decorative element. It provides shade, defines space, and adds architectural beauty. Opt for wooden, metal, or even retractable fabric pergolas for a custom look. Pro tip. Hang outdoor curtains or climbing plants like wisteria for a dreamy effect. 2nd. Statement. Outdoor rugs. An outdoor rug instantly makes your patio feel like an extension of your home. Choose weather-resistant, easy-to-clean rugs that complement your furniture. Pro tip. Neutral tones create a calm, cohesive look, while bold patterns add personality. 3. Portable fire tables. Fire tables serve as both a stylish centerpiece and a source of warmth. You can find propane, natural gas, or wood-burning models depending on your needs. Pro tip. If space is limited, go for a compact, round fire table that fits seamlessly into small patios. 4. Built-in. Seating for extra comfort. Want a luxurious touch? Built-in seating with plush cushions adds both comfort and a seamless look to your patio. Pro tip. Use waterproof outdoor cushions for durability and easy maintenance. 5. Outdoor kitchen or mini bar. Upgrade your patio into the ultimate entertainment space with a small outdoor kitchen or a rolling bar cart. Pro tip. If space is tight, a bar cart with storage for drinks and snacks is a game changer. 6. Smart outdoor technology. Enhance convenience with smart outdoor lighting, weatherproof speakers, and automated misting systems to keep cool in summer. Pro tip. Install motion sensor lighting for a mix of security and ambiance. Creative garden features. Your backyard isn't just about furniture, it's about nature. Here are some creative garden features to transform your outdoor space into a personal oasis. These ideas add charm, relaxation, and even functionality to your garden. Vertical gardens, a space-saving greenery solution. If you're short on space, vertical gardens are a game changer. They allow you to grow flowers, herbs, or even vegetables while saving ground space. Use wall-mounted planters, repurposed wooden pallets, or even hanging baskets to create a lush green wall. Water features, the sound of serenity. Water instantly brings tranquility to any backyard. Whether it's a small bubbling fountain, a DIY pond, or a sleek waterfall feature, the soothing sound of water enhances relaxation and adds an elegant touch. Pathway lights and stepping stones guide the way. A well-designed garden path not only enhances the look of your backyard, but also makes it more functional. Combine stepping stones with soft lighting to create an inviting walkway. Solar-powered stake lights are an eco-friendly choice that illuminates your backyard beautifully at night. Backyard Hammock Lounge, the ultimate relaxation spot. Create a cozy lounge area with a hammock. Whether tied between two trees or placed on a stand, a hammock makes a perfect relaxation zone for reading, napping, or simply unwinding. Raised garden beds, fresh and functional. Raised beds allow you to grow flowers, herbs, and vegetables in a controlled and visually appealing way. Use wooden frames, bricks, or even metal troughs for a stylish look. Outdoor art and DIY decor express your creativity by adding garden sculptures, painted stepping stones, or even a DIY mosaic table. Art pieces personalize your outdoor space and make it uniquely yours. Final touches for a cozy backyard. A few final touches can elevate your backyard from good to breathtaking. These finishing details will make your outdoor space feel complete and inviting. Outdoor kitchen or bar cart. Love hosting? A mini outdoor kitchen or rolling bar cart keeps everything within reach while entertaining. A small grill station, a compact fridge, and some bar stools can create the ultimate backyard party zone. Cozy outdoor movie night setup. Nothing beats watching movies under the stars. All you need is a projector, a white sheet or portable screen, and comfy seating with blankets. Multifunctional storage solutions. Keep your backyard organized with hidden storage benches, deck boxes, or vertical storage units. These not only save space, but also maintain a clutter-free, stylish look. Swing or hanging egg chair. Adding a swing or an egg chair creates a relaxing focal point that feels luxurious and cozy. Outdoor scent and soundscapes. Enhance the atmosphere with scented plants like lavender and jasmine, and add soft background music with waterproof Bluetooth speakers. Which of these backyard renovation ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you're planning a backyard makeover, I'd love to hear about your ideas and what inspired you the most from this video. And don't forget, if you found these ideas helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people discover creative backyard renovation inspiration just like you did. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest home decor tips, outdoor makeover ideas, and stylish living inspirations. Until next time, happy renovating!